Alrighty, so you're buying a house. You walk into the basement. You see that we got a nice stone wall over here with a sewer pipe that has a weird cut into it. They have the utility sink that goes down to this pump. It's been cut out of the main sewer line, but the new pipe drains all the way over here to the sump pump. Now, from there, the sump pump will discharge that water out into the yard. Usually, this is a good sign that something's gone wrong with the septic system. If you're looking at a house that has something like this, it's a good idea to get the septic evaluated by a licensed professional.